Good morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
What we have
morning.
written? Drawing.
Yeah.
Good morning. We have written.
Chap- those who have joined now, again, I'm repeating from there for them from the beginning. Chapter number 4 in your maths classwork notebook. Write chapter number 4. Write the question. Draw hands in the clock. Draw hands in the clock. Aradhya, turn on your camera, please. Vedant, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, my
Dania,
camera
turn
is
on your camera, please.
my camera is on.
But you're not visible to
Ma'am,
me.
my camera is on only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Anay, you have
yes,
joined
ma'am,
now. Divit,
my
everyone, please
video is
pay
not
attention.
working, ma'am.
Okay, Aradhya, mute yourself now. I will wait one more minute, then I will repeat for the students, those who are joining now. Let everyone join. I will wait 1 minute, then I will repeat the topic which I have already announced. Open your classwork notebook, everyone. Maths classwork notebook. Dhyan Patel, Divit, leave my class. Your camera is off. Leave. Vedant, leave. Vedant and Divit, leave, please. If you will not leave, I will remove you from my class. What is the problem? Every day the teacher has to remind you to turn on your camera. You don't like the teacher has to see you and interact with you. Yes, Dhyan Patel, what is the query? Speak, your mic is off. Speak, Dhyan Patel, what you want to ask?
Ma'am, I am not asking. Today I am at my mama's house. I have not my book match notebook.
So what you will do today, you will see.
No, I can do in one paper.
Okay. So after writing chapter number 4, write the name of the chapter. I don't have a space, I have not written, but you all have to write the name of the chapter. After writing the chapter number 4, write chapter
Ma'am,
number, name of the chapter, tick, tick, tick. Yes, Niva.
ma'am, ma'am, we have to draw four clocks in any shape.
Let me repeat again. So after writing the name of the chapter, tick, 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 write the question, draw hands in the clock. After writing the question, draw hands in the clock, draw 4 clocks in any shape. Either square or either circle. आपने जैसे भी clock देखा है वैसा clock आप बनाओ. It is your choice. I am drawing
Ma'am, the
a
question
circular shape
is, ma'am, what is the question? Draw hands.
in the clock.
Okay.
Then I have drawn 4 circles because I am going to make my clocks in the circular shape. Now, after that, draw the numbers inside it, and which is very, very important, how to put the numbers inside the clock. Numbers डालना सबसे important है. You cannot write the numbers ऐसे ही कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखने हैं. And children, I am telling you, if you are drawing the circular shape or drawing the square shape, please use pencil, scale, and the any circular object. और आपको ड्रॉ भी पेंसिल से ही करना है, हैंड्स भी पेंसिल से ही डालना है, नॉट विद द पेन.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you do any geometry work, any pen this type of work, drawing work, then you only use the pencil and scale.
Ma'am, but I have drawn it with pen.
Is it possible to draw these things with the pen? Will it come right in the first go? आपको इरेज भी करना
No,
पड़ता है ना
ma'am.
काफी बार. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, and make clocks little bigger, तभी उसमें proper numbers आ पाएंगे. Otherwise बहुत वो congested हो जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा खराब हो जाएगा आपका clock. Now see how to write the numbers inside it. First mark 12. Which number is coming opposite of 12 if you see the clock?
6.
12 के एकदम opposite नीचे की तरफ 6 है. So we write opposite 6.
Okay.
These four numbers are very, very important. 12, 6, 3 and 9. अगर ये आपकी सेटिंग हो गई क्लॉक के बनाने में, so your clock is perfect. 12, opposite of 12 is 6. Then mark 3. Mark 3 here. Opposite of 3 is 9. Now, what about the other numbers? उनमें भी proper gap होना चाहिए. Gap should be same. ऐसा नहीं कि 1 और 2 के बीच में बहुत सारा गैप है, 2 और 3 के बीच में गैप ही नहीं है. Got it? And you know that, so better you draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 lines पे 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines पे 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth is the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? The way I am doing after every 5 lines, because each line is of 1 minute. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, then 5 minute complete हो गया तो 1. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute हो गया तो 2. Here you
Ma'am,
can
you have to make 4 clocks.
4 clocks. Then after 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, then 9, then 2, 3, 4, fifth पे 10, 2, 3, 4, fifth पे 11, 2, 3, 4, fifth पे 12. And you see the distance is same. The distance between any two numbers is same. ऐसे ही properly you need to draw the clocks, 4 different clocks. And I am giving you the timings. My first clock is, I need to draw the hands according to 6 o'clock. So I want to show the 6 o'clock in this hand. So I will put a dot here in the center. Where will be the short hand, Bhavya Sagar? Where will be the short hand? 6 o'clock अगर मुझे शो करना है तो where will be the short hand?
6.
6. And please note, short hand and long hand. Sorry. There should be the proper gap, proper differentiate between the hands. Short hand और long hand आपके properly दिखने चाहिए कि long है ये short है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait.
What time we have to write? We have to write 6 or any time we can write. Draw.
Wait a minute. You can draw any time. And you need to explain me also once you are complete. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, see it is proper.
Let me check. As I already told you, your clock is not properly made. It is a lot of closure to there. Better make a big size. So the short hand will be on the 6 and the long hand will be on 12.
Ma'am, eyes okay?
So short hand और long hand में proper differentiate. Wait अने proper differentiate दिखना चाहिए. It cannot be like आपने दोनों ही hand same बना दिए तो मुझे short hand और long hand में proper दिखेगा नहीं. So better short hand and long hand properly होने चाहिए. Short hand तो short, long hand है तो long. Yes Ane, let me pin you. Yes, it's okay. Again, can you take it up little? Yes. But draw the shape properly. And the other 3, you can do it by your own. Anytime you can write. and you need to explain me. Now, suppose now we will do some practical, and meantime you are doing writing also, and I'll give the chance to the students and ask from them also. Rajiv Nakre, join now. If you check the timing, Rajiv Nakre, please check the time at what time you are joining and what time the class starts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, this much circle is perfect.
Take little bigger circle. कुछ नहीं है. There is no bangle and anything at your home. Take any, or you can draw with the compass also, no? Geometry box में there is the compass given. Pointer. हाँ, draw with that. See children, now I will ask from you all some timings.
This much circle is okay.
Let me pin you. Yes, okay, okay. Let me see the timing numbers. Can you take it up little? Now you see, you only see the differentiate. बाकी सब में अच्छा गैप है. 9, 10, 11 में इतना छोटा छोटा गैप.
Ma'am, can I show?
Wait a minute, let me explain first one thing. See children, if I want to show the 440 timing, 440, so where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
Ma'am, shorthand will be on 4 and 54, 50,
440.
440. Then, so long hand will be on 8.
It's okay, yeah. And 20, it's 420 then?
420, then the ma'am, the shorthand will be on 4 and long hand also will be on 4.
Hmm. Now, if it is 425, Niva?
Yes.
425.
425. The long hand will be on the short hand will be on 4 and the long hand will be on 5.
But when you check this clock, is it showing like this? Children, I'll tell you one thing. क्वार्टर जब भी हो जाता है किसी भी नंबर का, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 4:15 हो चुका है. यस, 4:15 के बाद धीरे धीरे द लॉन्ग शॉर्ट हैंड विल स्लाइटली स्टार्ट मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. After 4:15, everyone, this is important for everyone. After 4:15, this is 4:4, 4:15. जैसे ही 15 minutes cross होंगे, the hour hand, which is the short hand, will slightly start moving towards the next number. Now, when it is coming to 4:20, you can check that short hand has started moving towards the 5. When it is coming to 4:25, the short hand is in between 4 and 5. When it is coming to 4:30, it is in between to 4 and 5. Shorthand I am talking about. And when then it is coming on 9, the long hand is coming on 9, you can check the shorthand is more closer to 5, because now it is going to 4:45. 4:45 होने तक the any number, if quarter होने वाला होता है, the shorthand will be more closer to the next number. And from 4:15 say it will start moving towards the next number, closer to the next number. But when it reaches to the 4:2, then it will be more closer to the next number. Suppose if I want to show you, see, if I want to show you 6:45, right? If it is 6:45, 6:45 means what? Another way, quarter to
7.
quarter to 7. Very good. Quarter to 7, it means the shorthand will be more closer to which number?
7.
7. Now see, you cannot say when it is quarter to 6, as I told. Sorry, quarter to 7, 6:45. So you will not say the shorthand will be on 6. Then it will be wrong. When it is quarter to 7 means 6:45, you can see practically here the shorthand is coming more closer to 7. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the long hand will be on 9.
It is
So
1 or 2 centimeter close.
centimeter. It is not centimeters. So now you can check when I ask if it is 6:45. So you will not say the shorthand will be on 6. The shorthand will be in between 6 and 7 and more closer to 7 because it is going to quarter to 7 now. And it is going to 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock जैसे ही वो बजने वाला है. So it is the shorthand now will exactly on 7 when it is 7 o'clock. Now one by one I will ask this question from you all. Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, you will tell me 3:25. Where will be the shorthand and where will be the long hand?
Ma'am, the shorthand will be means between 3 and 4 and the long hand will be on 5.
Yes. Now practically you can see here when I show you 3:25. Next child, be ready. Anne, you tell me. Wait, I will ask from you. First, let me explore this. 3:25 we were doing, no? 3:25. Now check. If you would have said that exactly on 3, then you will be wrong, no? It will be in between 3 and 4. Shorthand will be in between 3 and 4 and the long hand will be on 5 because it have already passed, the minutes have already done there. Quarter past 3. Quarter past 3 से जैसे ही वो आगे निकलने लगा, now it will be on in between. The shorthand will become closer to the next number. Now I will ask from Anne. Anne.
Yes, ma'am.
4:50.
Yes, ma'am. 4:50. Ma'am, the shorter hand will be on 4. No. Shorter hand will be on 4 and 5 middle.
Yes.
And the longer hand will be on 10.
Yes. See, when you check the 4:50 timing here, you can see here the shorter hand will be more closer towards the 5. It is not on 4. Okay. Now, next child will give me the answer. Divit.
Yes, ma'am.
8:10. Children, don't use AM or PM with these numbers because till now we don't know which timing we are discussing. Just we are discussing how the hands will be placed on the according to the given time. We are not discussing AM or PM today. So don't write the AM or PM with the timings. Only write 7:40 or 3:50 or 4:15, whatever timing, not AM or PM.
Ma'am, what we have to do in clocks?
Draw the hands. According to the any time you can choose.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the first clock you have done.
Vedant, I will not give answer. I will not give answer because your camera is off.
Ma'am, I cannot start my camera because everyone is in my room, ma'am.
Everyone is in your? Okay.
Always here, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me now.
Ma'am, the
first clock one, you have drawn the 6 o'clock one. We have to draw that only.
First you can draw the same, no problem. The other
Other
three
three
you
we
can
can do it.
your own
Okay.
timing.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I am not drawing that lines in between. We have to draw that.
Not compulsory, but the main concept is there should be proper gap between the two numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Daniel.
Ma'am, may I draw 2 square clock and 2 circle clock?
Yes, it's your
Ma'am,
choice.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I have drawn like this: one
let me
square,
let
two
me ping you.
circle, and one diamond.
Yes, your choice, but the numbers you have written properly. Yes, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
If it is a diamond shape, just only observe and pay attention that your numbers should be at the same distance. Shape कोई सा भी हो. You can get in different types of clocks in the market. Oval also, triangle also, है ना? तो ऐसा तो नहीं है triangle होगा तो numbers की जो position है वो change हो जाएगी. या whether if it is a diamond तो number की position change हो जाएगी. It is not like that. No, numbers will remain at their own position. Okay, as I told to Divit to tell me 8, 10. Yes, Divit. Where will be the shorthand? I hope everyone is drawing the hands inside the clock according to their own timings. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please draw hands. And you need to explain me that where will be the shorthand and where will be the long hand. Yes, Divit. 8, 10.
Ma'am, shorthand will be in 8,
Shorthand will be on 8 and the long hand will be on
10.
Excellent. We have done 3 classes. This thing only. 10, 8, 10. Timing is. The long hand will be on 10.
No, ma'am. 8. 8.
आपने तो अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक की शाजिया जैसा काम कर लिया. Yes or no, students?
Ma'am, should I do?
No, wait. Tell me 8, 10.
Ma'am, 8:50.
That will be 7:15. But I am asking where you told shorthand will be on 8. Okay. Then where will be the long hand if the timing is 8, 10?
8. Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10 is the big hand.
कैसे 10 पे होगा बेटा? 10 पे अगर बिग हैंड होगा तो ये देखो 10 पे अगर बिग हैंड है तो इट इज व्हाट टाइम? इट इज 7:50. It is not 8:50 also. Because the short hand is in between 7 and 8 and the long hand is on 10. ये 7:50 है. जब 10 करना है तो 10 minute. This is long hand is minute hand. और 10 minutes कब होंगे? जब 12 से 1 पे मूव होता है, it is 5 minutes. 1 से 2 पे मूव होगा 10 minutes. So long hand will be on 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if I say 8:20, sorry, again I'm using the same. The long hand will be on 2. Now if it is 8:20, where will be the short long hand? Go please.
Ma'am, 4. Long hand.
Wait, David only will give me the answer. Long hand will be on?
On 2.
If it is 8:40 or 8:20, sorry.
Ma'am, so small hand will be in 8.
And long hand?
Ma'am, you can say 40, no?
20. 8:20.
And 8:20. And big hand will be in 40.
जब मैं 20 बोल रही हूँ, हाँ 4 पे, तो आप 5 की टेबल यहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे 1 से. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20. तो जैसे ही मैंने 20 बोला तो लॉन्ग हैंड विल कम ऑन 4. If I say 25, long hand will come on 5. If I say 30 or half past, then I put long hand on 6. Divit, थोड़ी practice करनी पड़ेगी. And I suggest everyone to bring small size or the big size clock in the class so that you can explore.
Ma'am, I have a watch.
Very good.
I see.
Okay, good.
I just
I
keep
can also
my
use it by here.
Yes, practically do here in the class so that you can learn more practically. It is not like that कि मैंने आपको बोल दिया and you can learn.
ma'am. I have a clock, but I I take it there, but that is I got from the Kudo
Okay.
5.
One by one, I'm going to pin you all. Now I will ask your timings and your. I want to see your clocks. Moksha, show me your clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Aradhya, then Manya, Divit, Jigar Singh, Danya, Anna, be
Ma'am,
ready now.
I
Next.
can't sleep because it is
Yes.
there up.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
see a what? A clock.
Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Moksha, I have seen. Moksh, can you show me? Put it little up. I want to know the fourth clock timing. What is the timing in the fourth clock?
Ma'am, it's 12:40.
12:40. The short hand is in bit where?
Ma'am, the shorthand is between 12 and 1.
And the long hand?
And longhand is at 8.
Very good. Next child. Yes, Manya. Show me your clocks.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay. I'll move to the next child till that. Danya. Show me your
Yes,
clocks.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anne.
See.
Then I'll go to the Anne next. Be ready. Okay. 9:40. 6 o'clock. 2:30. Yes. Don't move it more frequently. Let me see. 7:15. 9:40. Very good. If I ask Danya when it is 9:40, where will be the shorthand?
Ma'am, the shorthand will be on between 9 and 10.
Yes. Viva, next be ready now. Ane, tell me. After Ane, Viva will explain. Yes, Ane. Show me. Ane, next is showing 2 and the another is showing 7:45 and the fourth clock is not visible to me. Why you have made the boxes, right? Boxes बनाए हैं timing के अंदर. Okay. Otherwise it is showing me, it is looking like कि आपने 1 लिखा है उसमें. And the fourth clock is 5:50. Fourth clock 5:51 is wrong. Where is the shorthand? Wait, Amanya. Where is the shorthand in the 5:50? Let me take the attendance. Tell me, Anna, your mic is mute.
Ma'am, the shorter hand is on 5 and 6 middle.
Between 5 and
6.
Next. Yes, Manya. After Manya, Viva, you should be ready. 6 o'clock. Second clock is showing 1:30.
Ma'am, second clock is showing 1:30.
So where is the shorthand?
Ma'am, shorthand is on 1.
Exactly on 1.
No, ma'am. It's near to
2.
2 number.
And the long hand is on 6. Okay. Next is third clock is showing what time?
9:50.
It is 9:50. Just check.
Yes.
Check. It is 9:50. If it is 9:50, then 10 minutes add कर दोगे तो 10 बन जाएगा. So is your clock showing 10 o'clock after 10 minutes? Will it show 10?
No, ma'am, it's a small mistake.
Yes, just correct it. I'll move to the next child.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhyan Patel. Can you show me?
Ma'am, I'm doing my 2 only left. I've done
One,
2.
you at least show me 1 or 2, whatever you have done.
You can see.
So I can say it's not a complete neat work. You need to work hard on the presentation of your work.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
have done my Mr. Bird circle.
I'll move to the next child, Viva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Viva. Bring it more little. No, it's showing blur. Can you read for me what time your first clock is showing? First is according to me 6 o'clock. No need to read. Second, read the second one.
3:40.
3:40. So where is the shorthand?
In between 3 and 4.
Okay. And where is the long hand?
On 8.
Very good. Next number, what time it is showing?
7:30.
Okay. Where is the shorthand?
In between 7 and 8.
It is not exactly between because of
And the long
7:31.
hand
And the long hand will be on
and the short hand is long hand is on 6.
And what is your fourth clock is showing?
6:13.
6:13. Okay. Show me.
Yes.
Show me. Where is the shorthand? It is
A
not
little bit
it is not 6:13.
away from 6.
6:15. When the number is on 3, when the long hand is on 3, then it is 6:15. अब exactly अगर वो 3 पे नहीं है, I will show you that also. If it is not exactly on 3, as you told 6:13. See, wait. 6:13 we I'll show you how to show the 6:13. Yes, Aradhya, I'll pin you afterwards. Before that, I want to show you something. If you want to say 6:13, now you can see here the shorthand is in between. It is slightly moved from the 6, and 13 when you are showing, the long had not reached to the 3. But when it completely reached to the 3, then it will be 15. As you know that each
Okay,
short
ma'am.
line is of 1 minute. 2 say 1 minute गई तो 11 minutes, 12, 13 and 14, and then it reached to 15. As I have already explained in my last classes that each gap, each line is of 1 minute. Small line when you see, and from one number to the another number when the long head is moving, completing total 5 minutes. Clear to you all? Okay, now open page number 35 in your textbook. Page number 35 from your textbooks. Manya, have you corrected that?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the timing now?
10:50.
Huh?
Ma'am,
What timing? You have changed the timings in the clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is?
It is 10:50.
Again, it is wrong.
9:50. Sorry.
Yes, so do it right. Put 9:50. So I'm going to present the screen here. Page number 35. Page number 35 is about the story of the two school friends. One is Pamposh, is a boy, and Shazia, she's a girl. They both are discussing. Some discussion is happening with you all also. आप भी जब स्कूल में होते हैं तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कुछ ना कुछ डिस्कस करते रहते हैं कि नहीं? Yes, no? So there also in the school, the two friends were discussing about the timing. So Pamposh, she is a boy, and the Shazia, she is a girl. They are discussing. So Pamposh is asking, how much time you take to come to school? Then what Shazia is saying, that we'll read it. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school, Pamposh is saying. Shazia is saying, I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Let's see how. Pankaj is saying impossible. Your home is farther from my school. तो तुम 2 मिनट पे कैसे पहुंच जाती हो? Shazia said, but I check my watch. I start for school at 7 o'clock. Divit की जैसी थी थोड़ी सी वो Shazia. So she has given the answer like Divit that जब long hand reach on the 2, she's saying na 2 minutes have passed. But is it exactly how many minutes have passed when the long hand is on 2? 10 minutes. So she said that when it is passing from long hand is passing from 12 to 2, it means 2 minutes. Then see what is happening, what conversation is happening in between. Pankaj is saying you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. How? Can you see these lines between the numbers? Yes. So what? Then the minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12, so it is 10 minutes. 12 के बाद उसने 10 lines cross करी हैं. So it is 10 minutes. I start for school at 7 and I reach at when the long hand will come on the 1, means I have passed 5 minutes after the 7. This is Pamposh is saying. Means who is right? Shazia is right or Pamposh is right? Pamposh is right. He is explaining his, not Pampa. And he is explaining him timing. I'll take 1 more minute. Then the conversation has started. So these are the pointers which you need to remember. Standard unit to measure time is seconds, which is the smallest unit. Other units also of the timing are hours and minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Half an hour equal to how many minutes?
30.
And the quarter is उसका भी आधा 30 का भी yes 15. As I already told you, किसी भी चीज का quarter होता है उसका 1/4 means 16 minutes का 1/4 है 15 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Next is, as we have already done, ki 5 ki table will go 15, 20, 30. And always remember, first we write hours, then we write minutes. See children, this page number 36 and 37 is your home task. And I'll tell you, shorthand is on 3 and the longhand is on 12. So who is right? Shorthand is on in between 5 and 6 and the longhand is on 7. So who is right? And the shorthand is on 7 and the longhand is on 3. So who is right? You need to tick the answers this way. Then go to the 37 page. You need to draw the hands in these.
Time up.
Yes. You need to draw. Please, can you please mute yourself for 1 minute? On this page, you need to draw the hands, the activity which we have already done in the class. Draw the hands according to the time given here. We will check it in the next class. And the concept which we have done today, I will send you the worksheet. I've already sent the worksheet based on that. You need to draw the hands in the clock. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.